Let's be honest, owning a pool is supposed to be relaxing, but somewhere between the green water, mysterious equipment noises, and Googling why is my pool doing that, it can get stressful, which is why clients often look for a pool service company to manage their pool. What's up everyone, Chlorine King here, and thanks for tuning in for another one. Today, I want to talk about how we actually earn new pool service clients, and more importantly, how we keep them long term. Because great pool service isn't just about chemicals and cleaning. It's about communication, trust, and showing up when it matters most. And yes, sometimes it's also about answering that phone when someone's standing next to their pool at 7 a.m. panicking. We've all had that call. One of the first things we believe in is meeting clients in person. Why, you may ask? It's simple. Because when they're hiring a pool company, they're not just hiring a service. They're letting someone onto their property every week. Meeting face to face builds trust fast. They know who we are know who they are, and nobody feels like they hired a mystery pool ghost that only appears when the skimmer's full. It also gives us a chance to actually walk the pool together, look at the equipment, and talk about expectations right from the start. No guessing games later. This one's big, so listen closely. Clients should always know who is servicing their pool. That means clear introductions, consistent technicians when possible, and no moments where they ask, wait, who was here today? We want them to feel comfortable, informed, and confident, not confused or chasing answers. A pool service relationship should never feel anonymous. Communication is everything in this business. On our end, that means things like weekly service reports, holiday scheduled notices, storm and weather updates, equipment or technology changes. Basically, no surprises. But communication also goes both ways. We want clients to feel comfortable reaching out, asking questions, and telling us what they need. If something doesn't feel right, look right, or sound right, we want to hear about it. Because a small conversation today prevents a big problem tomorrow. Here's where we really separate ourselves. We believe in being proactive, not reactive. That means we don't just service their pool, we teach them about it. We give the clients the tools to understand their pool system, know what's normal and what's not, feel confident operating basic equipment. No, they don't need to become a pool tech, but them knowing how their system works empowers them and saves headaches for you down the road. Always remember this, an informed client is a happy client. Another key to great service, clear expectations. We explain things like what's included in the service and what's not, how issues are handled, how communication works. Because misunderstandings usually don't come from bad intentions, they come from unclear expectations. We'd rather over-communicate than under-deliver any day. Now pay attention, this part might not be flashy, but it's critical. We are licensed and insured. That protects the client, their property, and everyone involved. Professional pool service isn't just about knowing pools, it's about operating responsibly and legitimately. If there's an emergency, they should never be left to fend for themselves, ever, period. When the issue arises, we sometimes can coach them through it over the phone, while other times we need to be on site as fast as possible to get them taken care of. Either way, our goal is to respond quickly, clearly, and calmly, especially when things don't go according to plan. At the end of the day, this is simple. We're providing a service. That means several things like we listen, we adapt, and we deliver what the client's asking for. Not what's convenient, not what's assumed, what's actually requested. When clients feel heard, respected, and taken care of, that's when long-term relationships are built. If you're wanting to be a pool service company that believes in communication, transparency, and showing up when it counts, this is how we do it. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop any questions in the comments. And remember, their pool should bring them peace, not never-ending headaches and stress. Be their solution. As always, thanks for watching and have a great day, everyone.